Hi, I'm Clive from Balgores, and I'm here to introduce you to this exceptional barn-style detached family home. Hawk's Barn is only 3 years old and is truly one of the finest quality builds we have ever had the privilege to bring to market. Please come and take a look inside. Being built to an exacting standard and combining the latest technology with the highest quality traditional materials, this outstanding property boasts a wealth of fine architectural features throughout over 3,100 square feet of carefully considered accommodation. The vast kitchen diner family room is a wonderful place in which to entertain family and friends who will no doubt be impressed over the exceptional quality and craftsmanship which are subtly enhanced by the comfort of air conditioning, underfloor heating and a modern multi-fuel burner. With 5 receptions, 5 double bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, utility and cloakroom, this remarkable property is highly energy efficient and benefits from incredibly low running costs, which combined with Cat 6 fibre connectivity make it a perfect work from home opportunity. There really are too many outstanding features to list with this beautiful outside kitchen, stunning views, detached double garage and parking for numerous vehicles being but a few. Norton is a popular village situated within the Crouch Valley winemaking region of Essex, supported by a highly regarded primary school, a community pub, convenience store and being convenient for the city of Chelmsford, Malden, Burnham-on-Crouch and just a 5-minute drive from the commuting town of Northanbridge, which enjoys direct train links to London Liverpool Street in just 52 minutes. But don't take my word for it, check out Balgore's website and all good property portals and be prepared to get blown away.